Hello, hi, good morning, my dear friends and students. I hope you all are well and good. I am Ravi. You are watching Ravi Math Space channel for math education. Yes, today very most important day for all people. Can you guess what it is? Yes, that is Vinayaka Chauthi. So all the people are celebrating Vinayaka Chauthi. From my side, best wishes to all. So happy Vinayaka Chauthi for all my dear friends and students and family members. Okay, in the channel we are discussing and learning mathematical basics as well as content of 10th class. Already I have explained the 10th class content, that is real number chapter, first chapter. In that I explained the Euclid division lemma in the first video. So its applications, one applications I explained. Today we are going to discuss more applications on the Euclid division lemma. In that case, second application is, see here, show that the square of any positive odd integer is of the form 4m plus 1 for some integer m. Sir, integer m. So read the question, understand the what is the given values and what we are going to find out. So see here, what is the given here? Any positive odd integer, that form should be how it is 4m plus 1 for some integer m. Some integer m may become any values, okay. This question we can prove by using Euclid division lemma. First we are taking the Euclid division lemma, okay. So according to question we are going to consider the Euclid division lemma. First one is what here? Square of any positive odd integer. First we will take the positive integer. Let A is positive integer. Then what is Euclid division lemma here? So Euclid division lemma is, statement is A is equal to BQ plus R. So therefore I am writing here A is equal to BQ plus R. It is any positive integer. A is a positive integer means how it is the form? It is in the form of A is equal to BQ plus R, where R is greater than or equal to 0 and less than B. What the statement name it is? Euclid's division lemma. So why we are taking Euclid division lemma? Reason why? Because we are proving. See, if you see, observe the question, it is 4m plus 1, meaning is it is for as a form of BQ plus R form. So that's why we are taking the Euclid division lemma. Okay, Euclid division lemma. So this statement is called as a Euclid division lemma. Now A is positive integer, but I don't want only A. What type of A? Odd positive integer. Can you tell me, children, what is the odd positive integer of the form? Already in the first video I have explained very clearly what that every positive integer is of the form either 2q or 2q plus 1. Suppose A is positive integer is of the form 2q. What type of number? That numbers are even numbers. Next one is A is form should be 2q plus 1. Then what type of numbers that are what type of numbers? Odd numbers. So what is the odd number integer of the form? Is 2q plus 1. Already we know that one. So I am taking that one. Now A is equal to, now A is equal to, what it is A here? A is equal to 2q plus 1. What is the form here? It is odd integer of the form. Odd integer is of the form. Why I am taking here? Reason they asked here any positive odd mention na? How it is odd form? Odd form should be A is equal to 2q plus 1. That already we know that one. Already we proved in the first applications. You can watch that video. If you not watch means I will provide the link in the description box. Please watch the videos and understand the concept thoroughly. Okay. Now A is equal to 2q plus 1. So first one positive integer. Now positive integer, what type of positive integer? That is A is equal to 2q plus only odd positive integer. Now how it is the form here? A is a odd positive integer. A is a odd positive. Why odd? That is in the form of 2q plus 1. Now next, what we are going to find out here? Square. The condition is C here. Square of any positive odd. So odd we know. Now apply the square. Both sides. That become A square. This is the square of odd positive integer. It is the square of odd positive integer is of the form. Now simplify it. What is it in the form of? If I take square. A plus b whole square. It is A plus b whole square means what is the identity here? A square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. So now simplify. What is A here? 2q. A square means what we are going to get here? 4q square. I am writing here direct. Otherwise one step I will write here. 2q, it is A square plus b square plus 2a means 2q, b means 1. Simplify it. 4q square. 2 square is 4. Q square is q square as it is. 1 square is 1. 2 into 2 into 1. Total is 4. Q is as it is. That is 4q. Is it in the standard form? No. Why? Because it is for algebraic terms. What is the condition of algebraic terms? Algebraic terms always express in the form of descending order of their degrees. So now see, first time writing square degree, that is for as a 2, next 1 degree, that is 2q, last one 0 degree. Constant value always, constant degree should be 0 only. Already we know that one. Now it is called, what is now? Square of any positive odd integer of the form. Any positive odd integer of the form. Odd integer of the form. How it is? It should be 4m plus 1. How it is? It should be 4m plus 1. Can we write this one in the form like this? For some integer m, we can try that one. We can write or not. What is here? Square of odd integer of the form means what we got answer here? 4q plus 1. So a square is equal to, if I take from these two terms 4 common, take out 4. What we are going to get? 4 if I take means common here. So remaining is q square plus q plus 1. Therefore a square is equal to, I can write 4m plus 1. I can write 4m plus 1. So for some integer m is equal to, what I can take? Q square plus q square plus 2. So how written children see here? Square of odd positive integer of the form should be, how it is? It should be 4 plus 1. Yes, we proved here 4 plus 1. Hence is proved. is proved. Therefore, what we can write here? What we can write here? Every odd positive, square of odd positive integer is of the form 4m plus 1. This is the answer of that. What we did here, very simple manner we did here. So nothing is there here, just Euclid division lemma statement. Now we compare here. So whatever given in the question, that values only we are taking here. First one is positive integer. If I take positive integer means automatically Euclid division lemma statement will become, that is a is equal to bq plus r. Condition is this one. Next one is what here? So a is equal to 2q plus 1. What it is? It is a odd integer of the form. So it is a odd integer of the form. Suppose even integer form, sometimes they will ask even integer of the form. So instead of 2q plus 1, what we should take here? 2q. We can take here 2q. Already we know that this one. So that's why here I am taking odd integer of the form. Therefore a is equal to 2q plus 1. It is odd integer of the form. So condition is given square. So apply square for this one. If I simplify means what we are going to get here? 4q square plus 4q plus 1. Now this form is in the form of 4m plus 1. Yes, is it there? So how it is? See here. If I take common from this to 4, so here q square plus q plus 1. If I take this value, if I consider this value as a m, it becomes as a 4m plus 1. Already mentioned here for some integer m value we can take anything. That's why here whatever here coming, that I have considered as a m value. Therefore some integer m is equal to q square plus q. Hence the question is here proved. The question is proved. I hope you all are understand this problem perfect and thoroughly. Okay. So if you understand the concept thoroughly and perfect means, please subscribe my channel, do like, share, comment. For more updates, click on bell icon button. Thank you. Bye bye.